Welcome back, dear adventurers, to part 2 of our adventure at Elephant Rock State Park in Iron County, Missouri, with the Filipino Beauty and the American Beast. We hope you enjoy this day and our adventure. Thank you very much. It's beautiful nature that God has given us. You don't have to believe that. That's perfectly okay. But I have my own beliefs just like my wife. It's alright. One thing we need is unity. And not have to force people to certain narratives or any other thing of the like. But here we are, this beautiful Ozark Mountain area with the Filipino Queen, as you can see. Let us go to the next location up that way. Well, be careful, love. Go that way. Go, love.
Should I?
Yeah. Don't be scared. Go.
Oh no, we can pass here.
Yes, you can.
This is dangerous.
Yes, you can.
No, I cannot.
Yes, you can. You're too scared?
I'm not scared. I am just being careful because I'm promising.
All right. Well, then sit down and scoot on your butt down, or do that. All right, then you get me then.
Be careful.
You got me?
Yeah. Be careful. Wow. You can do that. I cannot.
Since you don't want to follow me come up doing what I did, just take the path here to the cracks and then hand me the camera.
Can I do this, guys? I cannot jump, so I'll have to find my way up there. So let's see if I can do here. The water in here. Love, can you please reach this for me? I'm doing.
Extend it so I can reach it.
Here, catch it.
You gotta keep going. I can't. I'm gonna fall if I keep
Oh,
extending it.
powerful. Why are you laughing at me?
Oh my goodness. This lady's killing me. Oh. Hold on, love. I gotta get up. One sec. Okay. Oh my goodness. Alright. Can you not listen? Right there. All the way up. You're not hurting yourself.
I'm sure that there's a
Come on.
better way to do it. But I'm adventurous, so let's do it.
Come on. Come on, Filipino. Here, hand. Alright, turn around. No. Why are you making it difficult? Turn that way. Go. And look at you. You made it all the way up. Oh, it seems not so big, but that was... that orange behind you is very pretty, love. It's a very pretty. Yeah. Fire Nation. What is she doing? Oh, I love her. Oh, she's so. Oh, look at her, so adventurous. All right, we've made it on top. Mercy's power pole extend moment. Let's look at some more things from up top of this elephant rock. Beautiful autumn trees. Some wonderful landscape. Let's head this way, love. Some interesting things about this area and its historical cultural interest is that just outside the park is the oldest recorded commercial granite quarry in the state of Missouri. It produces some fine red granite called, you guessed it, Missouri Red. It's been open since 1879. The quarry actually furnished facing stones for the Eden's Bridge piers standing on the Mississippi River levee in St. Louis. Now, from 1880 to 1900, millions of paving blocks for the St. Louis levee and downtown streets came from this exact quarry. Other nearby quarries supplied granite for many major St. Louis buildings, as well as stone for the turned columns on the front porch of the governor's mansion in Jefferson City. Now, today, this granite is used primarily for monuments, building vineyards, and crushed stone aggregate. The high-quality granite blocks produced from the quarry before the acre became a state park were used for building homes and other structures. The flawed and damaged stones were hammered into blocks, which were used for paving streets, roughly the size of shoe boxes. These granite paving blocks sold for about 8 cents each at the time. At that rate, a good block maker produced about 50 blocks per day, and they could earn $4 for their day's work. That was actually considered pretty good wages for a very hard day's work back in the day. Now, to transport these granite blocks, the quarry relied on the railroad, mainly from Iron Mountain and the Southern Railroad. Now, in the 1890s, the railroad produced services to Sheehaw Quarry operations in what is now also a state park. Now, by 1902, 16 granite cars were being operated regularly, shipping Missouri's red granite throughout the country. The ruins of an old engine house, originally built to repair engine trains and cars, still stands on the park and can be accessed by the Engine House Runs Trail, which is in the park itself. Now, in its day, circa 1890, the nearby settlement of Graniteville boasted a population of more than 700 people. That was a lot back then, making it the largest town in the area. Most of the town was built and owned by the quarries company. Walking down the streets, visitors would see hotels, post offices, stores, and the railroad depot, and numerous other homes. Today, only a few of the original granite buildings remain, including an impressive stone schoolhouse and several homes. Now, that's just a tidbit of information, some cultural history of this area. Back to the video.
I just don't want to hurt my finger. And we're stuck. There's no way you can fit here. No more. Dead end.
What? This is when they were. I wonder if these are from when they were mining. Maybe some of the cuts they did to try to get some of these big parts out. Maybe. Oh yeah. Huh? Oh. You could tell me what's over there.
Are you really showing me how
Yeah.
tiny I am?
Keep going.
Showing the people how tiny I am.
So you want a Filipino wife because they fit in small spaces. Alright.
Just inhale.
Not that big.
You did it, love.
Alright, now let's go that way. And that tree grew up right there. That's pretty.
Yep. Careful.
All we have to do is slide.
I don't like that. No, it's great. Look my trees.
Oh, very pretty. I don't want to go that way. Oh. Oh, look at this. Oh, let's go, love. Little trees. This is cool. Oh. No, you can't eat that. Those are not berries you can eat. Love, I swear. Sun's so bright. Sun's so bright. It's like perfectly right there. Oh. Love. This is crazy though. Oh. Keep going. Came from all the way up there. Way up there where that trees are. Now we're making our way down. Oh, don't go that way. There's the asphalt right there. Why you go that way when you can go this way, love? Come on, follow me. And then we found the exit. Back to where we gotta go. Back to the entrance, right there, love. Always make your own path in life, guys. Don't be a follower, be a leader. Take risk, even if it's simply making choices that seems scary. Without risk, there is no reward, but it needs to be calculated risk. Calculated risk, as in thought out, planned for, and not just at a whim or not with no plan. Slide down, love. The water slides down. You can slide down too.
No,
You want me to go? Right here. Take.
I don't want to slide.
You know, slide.
No.
You're sliding right now. Whee! Say whee!
Hurt myself.
Shall we? Back to the beginning. Look. We made our own path and found more interesting things along the way. Right, love?
Yeah.
Like a maze of rocks. Anyways, guys, it has been fun. It's been a great day. This is us signing off. Dear Life Adventure. Remember, go out there, explore. Don't be stuck inside. Breathe in nature. Have an experience. Love those around you. Remember to be kind to your neighbors like you'd want them to be kind to you. And always remember to, what's that, babe? Like, subscribe, comment down below. Bye, everybody.